Hi guys, how are you all? In this video, I would like to explain how to execute Java programs on Notepad. If we want to execute Java programs on Notepad, we need to download JDK. If we not, it will show like this. See, JDK Java hyphen space version. If we give like this, it will display as it is not recognized as an internal or external command. Like this, it will display like this. So we need to download it. So how can we download it? Go to Google Chrome, JDK download. See here, as we have Windows, install this. Yes. Okay. After this close option, we need to go to here search bar. We need to press edit environmental variables. See, it is the main part here. After that, environmental variables and new one we need to add browse. As it is like this, we need to get and open. So and here we can give Java programs like this and OK. Press OK here. After that, open command prompt cmd. Okay, we will check whether it is having version or not. Before Java not file command is there now, we will check now. See, Java version is installed. Okay, this is the version, latest version. Okay, we will write program here. See, public class Java programs and public static void main string arguments. See, I will just print hello world. Okay, stem dot. See, see. Let's keep in mind that what you give in there, that class name only need to given. Java, what I gave here, Java programs, right? Can Java prog, that only we need to give. Java prog dot Java extension must be Java. Okay, I hope you understand this. Okay, let's Let's go to the documents part, and we will check where Java prog is there. Here is there no? Where is there? Where it is? It is presenting. See, it is present in documents, right? So I will put CMD where it is, where the file will present. There only put CMD. Please remember this point in mind. If you store in documents, if you want to present downloads, it won't come. See how to execute Java C compilation. What is the program Java proc dot Java? This is the one to compile. See this one, it will be compiled like this. If it is not there, I will show you when it is not there. Now how to execute Java proc. This is the class name, right? So hello world is print. I will show you. See like this, when where the file is stored. If we put cmd there, so it will get. If we not, if we place, let's go in downloads. Let's go in downloads and put cmd there. And if we try to execute Java C, Java proc.java, it won't come. File not found exception will come. So go to the place where it is found. So it is found in downloads. So put in documents. So put CMD only there. If you put another like that, please cross check whether JDK is installed or not, and put the CMD where the document is available. Thank you so much.